train divers year-round, and we like to take what we love about scuba and introduce students to all of the many different careers that can actually stem from it. So it can lead into paleontology, as we see here today, as we're talking about fossils that are coming from underwater, archaeology, photography, marine biologies, and environmental sciences, obviously.
Found a couple of little tiny shark teeth.
Gaining work experience is pretty exciting because I enjoy doing these kinds of things. It's helpful for me in the future. More importantly, I'm having fun.
I absolutely love working with Summarize. To be able to partner with this program and give back just a little bit and bring the opportunities into the students' hands so that they can learn about the many different career options that we have.
I just wanted to get more experience in a field that I'm interested in doing in the future. This is like the perfect place to do it.
Ready, set, go!
Our Summarize students are working on a PSA for a local nonprofit, and they're learning everything from script writing and how to request an interview.
Today we're learning how to control the lighting and the cameras, and we're just trying to get comfortable with interviewing each other so we can prepare for our PSA video for the seat company.
Being able to have young people, our next generation of storytelling, is extremely important. These are our storytellers of the future, and we're able to get their energy and their input, and they teach us as well. It's a great symbiotic relationship.
I came into Summarize not really knowing much about what I wanted to do was going to play out as a career and what skills I would need, but it's become really clear to me exactly what I need to do. I think it's been really helpful to really get familiar with what I'm going to need in the future.
Today, the Summarize students, they had the opportunity to come into our health sciences building, go through and tour our nursing simulation facilities.
The Summarize program is helping broaden my interest through showing more in depth and more detail what, for example, a nurse would be doing in their daily life.
I think that a lot of things that Summarize is teaching me kind of overlaps with what I want to do, and I think it's great to have that little extra knowledge.
I think it does a really good job at preparing me. When I came here, I was really fixated on one thing, but I got to talk to so many professionals and experience so many things. Now I want to explore more. Like, I want to go into biochemistry, like work in biology labs and not just nursing. It really broadened my horizons. I think it's an experience that everyone should have.
It's about reaching out to the community and bringing them up, and maybe even find a career that they never even expected to like and want to be a part of.
We're here at Warrior Canine Connection at our headquarters in Boyds, Maryland. Warrior Canine Connection is an organization that trains service dogs for our nation's veterans. Over this past couple of days, we have been grooming, bathing, taking care of their kennels and things, so we make sure that they're living in comfortable spaces so that they're ready to train and then ready to go into work.
MCPS gave us just a very direct way to be able to get into businesses without that huge process. Was a big help for me.
As I was an educator myself, that experiential learning is key. I love the excitement that they have about learning about the dogs. It's really fun to see they're like, oh, that's cool and that's amazing. And I'm like, yeah, this is amazing.
I'm beyond happy. This is such a beautiful experience for me. I talk about it every day when I go home. It gives you so much experience. It gives you so many connections. So there's really no reason not to do Summarize.
Summarize!